Cuckoo Broadband Full Review. Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Links to the product are provided in the description below. Cuckoo Broadband is a relatively new entrant in the UK broadband market, offering a simplified approach to home internet services with a no-frills, straightforward pricing model. It's designed for those who want a hassle-free broadband experience without complex contracts or hidden fees. One of the standout features of Cuckoo Broadband is its flexibility. They offer a variety of broadband packages that are easy to understand without the usual long-term commitments or complicated terms. The broadband plans come with no setup fees, and users are not tied to long contracts. Cuckoo's plans focus on simplicity and transparency, making it ideal for users who want straightforward internet without dealing with the fine print. Cuckoo offers both fiber and ADSL packages, with speeds that cater to basic browsing as well as more demanding streaming and gaming needs. Another great strength is their customer service, which is UK-based and available 7 days a week. Cuckoo Broadband focuses on providing responsive and helpful support, which is a significant plus for users who prefer speaking to local agents rather than dealing with overseas call centres. Additionally, their pricing is competitive, with no price hikes after the first year, something that sets Cuckoo apart from many other providers who increase prices after an introductory period. However, there are some drawbacks. Cuckoo Broadband's fibre coverage is not as widespread as some of the larger providers, and availability in rural areas can be limited. Also, while their no-contract model is a plus for flexibility, it might not be the best option for users who prefer bundling services like TV and phone with their broadband. Additionally, while Cuckoo offers reasonable speeds, they don't offer the top-tier speeds seen with some other providers, so users in need of ultra-fast internet may need to consider alternatives. In conclusion, Cuckoo Broadband is perfect for users who value simplicity, flexibility, and good customer service without the long-term commitments. If you're after an easy-to-understand, straightforward broadband provider, Cuckoo Broadband is a solid choice. However, if you need extremely high-speed internet or are in a rural area, you might want to explore other options.